So basically, I cleaned all of this. I cleaned like the doors, and I cleaned all of this. There's still like some fuzz on it, but I cleaned all of this. I have the vehicle turned off right now. So the only thing that I haven't been able, like I cleaned all of this. The only thing I haven't been able to actually clean are these floor mats. I had them at the car wash, and I didn't really want to like take them out of the vehicle. So this is kind of what we have going on right now. This video is going to be in different parts, but right now I have these bling things that I'm going to try to put on here, and maybe like somewhere over here. Not sure, but yeah, this is my vehicle. This is a Jeep 2014 Jeep Compass, whatever. I say it weird. So yeah, that's our thing. Most of my vehicle, like I'm trying to keep it either blingy or pink, just because that's kind of what I have in here right now. I have like this pink, and then I have a monogram sticker on the back, which you've probably seen in like me washing it and stuff. And then I also have a pink Palm Beach sticker on the back as well. So I'm trying to keep it either pink or like blingy. So I have these coasters that I won off a local woman that makes like these glitter tumblers and stuff. They just come out like this. They're super cute. So I try to keep everything either, like I said, blingy or pink. I don't really have much over there. That's just my sunglasses and a super old body spray. But yeah, I'm going to take these things and see what I can do with them. I'm not sure how it's going to go, but we'll see. So let's go. So basically, this is just like a big line of blingy stuff. But it's kind of hard for me to film. I don't have anyone here, so I'm going to do this and then I'll be out. Okay, so I got them on. I don't know how well they'll stay. I've tried to like push them into like the silver plating on my steering wheel, but this is what it looks like so far. I don't know if I want to do anything like over here, because I still have some of the same ones left, but they're not a lot. So I don't know if it would look good to still do like some of the other ones. So I don't know how much it would take. I feel like it would take a pretty good lot to do anything else. So I may just like leave it like this. Because I don't want to mix match like the crystals. So yep, that's all of that. All right, here I had on my gear shift, I just have like a black scrunchie. I can't find a hot pink one, so I'm just putting a black one on here for now. I have more, but I feel like one just kind of covers up the little stick part, so I'm just like fine with just one being on here right now. So that's all I'm doing for now. So, yeah. That's all I've got right now. Like I said, this video will probably be in multiple parts because I have some of these that cover this coming and stuff like that. So, yeah, it'll be in like multiple parts, trying to film all of the stuff that I'm getting for the vehicle. So, I will show you all that when I get it in. Just did this. I just put this like blingy kind of thing right there. I have my keys in the ignition right now, but it's just like a little circle thing. And then I also got this little wiener dog Bath and Body Works scent portable thing. I haven't got any refills for it yet, but I got that. It's just so cute. And then I also had these. They go on like your little window lock things right there. But I ended up having to pay someone to fix my window because I tried to twist my old ones off and lost it down in my door. And this actually don't even fit mine. So kind of bummed about that. It like, I guess where the ball's on it, it don't let it go down far enough to like lock my door. So really bummed about that, but whatever. So I'm probably just gonna like end my decorating video here. Like I said, I'm actually just gonna end my decorating video here because I have a couple other things I want to get, but I'm probably not gonna get them right now just because I'm trying to save money and stuff like that. And I have other stuff that I need to do that's more important than decorating my Jeep. So I'm probably just gonna end my whole decorating here. Like I said, I may try to show you all some other stuff that I might do eventually, or like I'll just show it in a vlog, or maybe do like a car tour again and show you different stuff. But for now, this is really, I guess, all that I'm gonna do. I want to do some stuff to the outside and stuff like that, but I haven't been able to do that. So I think I'm gonna do this decorating video, and then I may do a full car tour eventually. I don't know. I wanted to do a car tour to begin with, but I haven't done that yet. So I guess we'll see. But I hope you all enjoyed this video of me decorating my Jeep. I've had it 10 months. May will make a year that I've had it. And I'm just now getting around to like doing anything with it. Besides my pink steering wheel cover that I had on here for, I had it in my other vehicle. So, but yeah, I just wanted to show you all the two things that I added. And I'm currently on my lunch break from work, so I'm gonna go get a couple things done, and I will see you on my next video. Bye guys.